Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2014 GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia is great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV. Advanced technology and thoughtful ergonomics, the Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: quad seating, XM satellite radio, anti-lock braking system, traction control, power passenger seat, heated seats, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, HomeLink garage door opener, power steering. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.